upload a file correctly to Google Drive and troubleshoot any issues you might encounter along the way. This can be really handy, especially when you're trying to share important documents or back up your files securely online. So let's get started with this simple and straightforward process. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head on over to drive.google.com. Once you're there, you should be looking at your Google Drive homepage where all your files and folders are stored online. From this screen, you have the versatility of managing all your documents with ease. Now gaze over to the upper left corner of the screen and you'll see a big bold button marked New. Go ahead and click on this button. Clicking New opens up a small drop-down menu offering you a few choices. In this drop-down, you'll want to choose File Upload. When you click on File Upload, a window will appear allowing you to browse your computer. This is your chance to select the specific file you want to upload to Google Drive, find the file you need, click on it, and then hit Open. Now, your file will start the uploading process. You can track the progress by looking at the bottom right corner of the screen, where a small window will pop up showing the upload status. It's important to remain patient during this step, especially if the file is large, as it might take a little while. Also, it's crucial to ensure that the file upload completes successfully. Sometimes you'll find that errors occur if the upload wasn't finished properly. After the upload is completed, you might notice that some file types don't allow previews in Google Drive. This is normal, and it affects certain formats. However, don't worry, these files are still perfectly fine to share and use. If you encounter a file that can't be previewed, but you need to access its contents, there's a simple fix. Start by right-clicking on the file in your Google Drive, which will bring up another menu. From here, click on the Download option. This saves the file directly to your computer. Once the file is fully downloaded, navigate to its location on your computer. You'll need to open it with an appropriate program. The type of program you use will depend on the file format, whether it's a document, an image, a video, or something else. Make sure to use a compatible application to ensure everything opens up smoothly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully upload files to Google Drive, troubleshoot common issues, and access or share your files with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you master your Google Drive uploads. See you in the next video.